I'm going to be talking about hair struggles and also their solutions. So unless you have really short hair, you can probably relate to pretty much all of these struggles. But instead of making this like a normal girl struggles video, I decided I'd also talk about the solutions for these problems as well. I've actually done a few other installments in this, I guess it's kind of like a series on my channel. So if you want to check them out, I have it linked on the top of the screen right here. And also comment down below what your biggest hair struggle is. For me, it's just the fact that my hair gets really oily, really fast, and also it just doesn't hold curls for very long. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you struggle with the most with your hair. And with all that being said, without further ado, let's get started. Hair struggle number 1. You know when you haven't washed your hair in a day or two and it just kind of smells a little bit off? Well, a super easy solution to that would be to spray some perfume onto your brush and then just brush your hair like normal, and the perfume will be distributed throughout your hair and your hair will smell super good. Hair struggle number 2. Greasy hair is seriously something that everyone deals with, and it's super annoying, especially if you don't have dry shampoo on hand. Well, an easy solution to that would be just to apply some baby powder into your roots. It'll soak up all the oil the same as dry shampoo would, and it'll leave your hair feeling super soft and clean. So basically all you have to do is just apply a little bit of that onto your roots and various parts of your hair, and then just massage it into your scalp so you don't see the white powder, and that's it. Hair struggle number 3. You know when you're wearing your hair up and you just can't seem to get the flyaways to stay down? Well, a super easy solution to this would just be to get some hairspray and a toothbrush. And essentially all you have to do is just spray the hairspray onto your toothbrush. Of course, you want to use one that you're not actually using to brush your teeth. And then just use that to smooth down all your flyaways and you're good. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to put off getting a haircut as long as possible, and this normally leads to dry and split ends. Now, you can't necessarily fix your split ends, but you can make them a little less obvious. And the easy way to do this is just to get some coconut oil and apply that to the ends of your hair. Then just let that sit in your hair for about 20 or so minutes, and then you can just go ahead and wash it out with some shampoo and conditioner like normal, and your ends will look a lot less dead and much better. If you struggle to get your hair to hold curls like I do, don't give up quite yet because there is a way to fix this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is apply a thickening mousse to your wet hair. I use one from Bumble & Bumble, so I'll have that link down below if you want to check that out. After you've done that, you can then go ahead and blow dry your hair, and I'd recommend doing it with your hands as opposed to a brush. It'll add a lot more texture to your hair, and it'll give the curls something more to hold on to. After that, you can just go ahead and spray a thin layer of hairspray throughout your hair, and then you can go ahead and start curling. So I think the best way to do this is just to clip up your hair into sections, then just go ahead and curl your hair however you want, but then instead of letting the curls just drop, hold them in your hand for a little bit until they can cool off and then let them go. This step is really important if you really want your curls to stay in place throughout the entire day, because allowing your hair to cool in your hand will really solidify the curls and make them less prone to falling out. So basically just repeat this throughout your entire head until all your hair is curled, and also make sure to curl your hair a lot tighter than you actually want it to be in the end. After that, you can just go in with some more lightweight hairspray and spray that throughout your entire head. And once the hairspray is dried, you can go in with either a brush or your fingers and just loosen up the curls and get them the size and texture you want. If you struggle with having a super dry, itchy scalp, especially in the winter time, an easy home remedy to fix this would be just to mix together 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The acidity in the lemon juice will get rid of any dry flakes on your scalp. Then mix in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will help moisturize any newly exposed skin on your head. And then mix in 2 tablespoons of water as well. And after you've combined all those ingredients together, you can then go ahead and just massage that into your scalp. Let that sit in your hair for about 20 minutes and then just go ahead and wash it out with some shampoo and conditioner. If you just naturally have really straight and flat hair, A great way to add some volume to your hair is just when your hair is wet and you're blow drying it. Instead of blow drying it the normal way, just flip your hair upside down and blow dry it like that with your hands. And since you're blow drying your roots so that they're flipped the other way, it'll add a lot more volume to your hair and make it look a lot fuller. Enjoyed that video. If you are not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram, a Twitter, and a Snapchat, so go ahead and follow me in all of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!